Yaje ushajipata na yaje ushajipata na problem kama hii na unataka iko as good as this. So this is how you can do it using Photoshop and not AI. If you want to make something in here, inaweza kuwa scaled up nature, and as maybe kwa billboard and everything, you want to maintain every detail that's in the image as you want it. So this is how you can do it. So it's start by selecting Jesse. This is a player from Jacob Cougars, and they have recently been promoted to Kenya Cup. After making the selection, I'll go to the adjustment layers, allow for each where you create a new layer, hue and saturation. Clipping the hue and saturation to the subject. Tunaweza anza kumake hizo adjustments. The red one, tunajaribu the lightness inaenda to the farthest end and the saturation pina drop. Ianze kutuleta the brightness. Hizo colors mingi zenye within the jersey tusichoe. We'll continue doing this for the other colors that zinatokea kwa jersey, like the yellows, the blues, the cyans, and the magentas. There are some parts in this jersey we must maintain the colors. We remove the mask now using a brush tool. So tunai brush over alafu to the color na reveal sasa the color that we want, that the specified areas sipaki now, like the yellows are kopokumbu, is the logo ya G-Court, the reds na blues and yes hapo. Penda kwa the whites, we don't want any colors that is black, so tunataka at least ikue grayish for the darker colors, the lighter colors. Tunaweza hiyo tuna shida na inaweza kuwa as white as it wants to be, so that isiharibu the effect in your checker. The effects in your checker later ikue effective on each. You'll tweak the lights and the darks with the colors adjustment layer. Then after that utaweka a blending mode, itasaidia kuweka the shadows pia zipop out, and hapa itumia ni overlay which works best and actually inacha the darks zinatokea vizuri, inaonekana as a shadow. From there we'll have to invert the mask thing to go to make at least ndio sasa hii effect yenye tumeweka sahi ya the curves ikwe tunaweza apply where we want it to be. We want it to be dominant ikwe hizi places in this dark, there's isikwe too dark, zikwe the dark, the value inatoka kwa darkness ikwe something atupea like a shadow ikwe easy to kama inaonyesha to streaks. After going over with the soft brush, first you can reveal the effect in it with the curves adjustment. Yeah, I went over it with the spotting brush. You got over the two dark parts in second one and the previous two. Now, ukiangalia hii unaweza ona it's something good as a present, unaweza add up to me for your design. So depending on the quality of the image that you got, if it's a high quality image, I'll be able to preserve the quality and the texture that came with the image. So I'll do a similar thing now with AI, if we compare the two. The one I generated from chatgpt was quite good. The colors were good. Let me see. They were well improved, and the whiteness was good, but there was a strip on the neck that wasn't as white as I wanted it to be. It gave me a larger image, but the quality, if you zoom in, you'll see that the quality that it gave me wasn't as good as the one that I have. The one that I have has 300 pixels per inch, but the one that was generated has 22 pixels per inch, even though it gives you something big in centimeters with the length and the width of the picture, but it's not something that you can say it has that quality that you want when you're doing your designs. I even tried to go and make it have more pixels per inch so that I can see if the details may be seen. But the one that I did the edit on, but even maintain the quality, the words in Someka. If you look at the G-Court logo page, you can see the names, everything that was written there, that what was captured in the initial image is still there. But with the AI, the names, you can't tell what was there. This is a trick that you can use. You can follow me, subscribe,